I recently picked up this bag of Lego at a thrift store for $14.97, which is a great deal for Lego, especially when you spot minifigures, and it looked to be one whole set. So I got it home, a couple bags were open, I put together what I think is the first bag, and I think that's what it ended up being. And then I kind of just set the whole project aside for a while, because I knew there was stuff missing, there was a hole in one of the bags, so this is like 3 weeks later after I found it, the rest of the video. Okay, I've been letting this sit around for a few weeks. This build out of it is missing, which I could probably get pretty far on my own, to be honest, just out of spare parts. But I've been thinking, this might be nice to have around the house. So I think I'm just gonna build it. You know, I'm often in such a hurry to get stuff built, get stuff posted, in a hurry to sort stuff, that it's kind of nice just to take some time to build something for me. This color green is one of my favorites in Lego, and I love the design of this kitchen. This is gonna look so cool. That is so neat. I love that so much. Also loving these green claws. Those are really cool. Another reason for putting it together is this was ripped open, so who knows if anything fell out in the thrift store, so worth checking, right? I'm just kind of making excuses at this point. I want to build it, nothing wrong with that. Well, look how the turntables. Missing. It's not here, right? Like, oh, there's the single. But a 1x2 and the 1x4 is gone. I tell you what, if I had tried to sell that brand new, that would have come back to bite me. Roy G. Biv, here we go. That's probably the wrong shade of blue. Oh, actually? Yeah, wrong shade of blue. The light was playing tricks on my eyes. That one might be... Nope. These two colors are very similar. Nope, okay. Alright, just gonna substitute that in for now. Just give it one more glance. Yeah, hopefully nothing else is missing, because that's easy to tack on to an order when I start working in earnest again. I had a bin that I hadn't started sorting yet, and just happened to have the right color blue. Oh man, I really saved myself some trouble. Corner piece. Down here, dark bluish gray. This would have been a disaster if I sold it to somebody. It's not a surprise at this point. I need 2 of these. Wow. You know, the trouble with making videos is you record yourself doing dumb stuff. The piece I need is right there because that is supposed to be white. And then that blue piece will go right here. Of course, missing the sticker, but I love... Oh, the fire fell down. That's not safe. I love whenever building techniques have you build stuff upside down or sideways. Huge fan of that. Harry Potter does it a lot. Coming together. If anyone at Lego is listening, I know you did the Muppet CMF figures. Oops, it's knocked them over. But if you ever did specifically Muppet Christmas Carol CMF figures, I would be all over that. Of course, she's in the way. There we go. Hard to believe there's 3 more bags to go. This is pretty fun right here. Cool. Last one. Oops. I'm sorry, ma'am. I seem to have fallen on your fire. I love building this. Really cool. 10 out of 10. Would do it again.